Okay, so good evening, dear brother.
Good evening. Good evening. How
So
are
how
you?
are you doing?
I am doing great. Everything was
Yeah,
good at this time.
okay, glad to know. I am also fine. So after a long time, we are making conversation. So how is going
Yes,
on
yes.
everything?
Everything is going good. Everything is going on, and before then better at this time.
Okay, so what about your speaking English? How is going on it?
My English is everything is good.
Okay,
Uh,
so do you practice every day?
yes, yes. I do practice every day.
Okay. So how many conversation do you make every day?
Two session, one session every day. Some days not one, only one session. If I have no time, there is no session a single day.
Oh, so what do you do without making conversation for improving your speaking English?
Yeah, see, I am studying book once a story essay book. Okay, every day
Okay.
I study 1 hour.
So
Topic like as dowry system and drug education, any topic about Nepal, about transport, and which is I would like to study. Then I study every day.
okay. Okay. So which topic did you read last time today?
Today I studied agriculture.
Agriculture. Okay, tell me
Yes,
something about agriculture.
yes. Agriculture means uh, everything depend on agriculture. If you have two crops, white, maize, rice, paddy, and corn, these all are under it corns. Okay, under it agriculture means uh, every landed to crop. Yes, and means uh, agriculture depart is like as in the field.
Okay, it was a
And
nice information about agriculture. So, brother, for enhance your speaking English, you read every day, and as well as you make conversation. So, do you learn vocabulary every day?
yes, I am study book every day, but I don't write. Okay, only studying
Okay.
and thinking about which topic I studied. Yes,
Okay.
and
So, brother.
sometimes
Okay, brother. So,
yes,
which book do you read? Uh, do you follow class 1 to class 10 English books or any specific book?
no. Do you know essay essay book?
Essay book. Okay. So
Yes,
you can
yes,
read newspaper. Newspaper is also helpful for us to improve our English.
yes. I am not reading newspaper, but I am listening English news.
It is very helpful for your listening skill. And if you want to improve your reading skill, then you can read newspaper. It is also helpful for you. You can know information about your country, about the other country. So it is very helpful. If you read newspaper, it will be very effective for your reading for your information skill.
Yes, yes, yes,
So you can read
yes.
newspaper. Yeah.
Definitely. But I have
Okay. So
time that times I will listen only and studying there is sufficient for me. And I have a
okay.
office, then
So
I have a lot of work. If your statement is good, if you reading newspaper, then you have to a lot of help. I accept it.
Okay,
Yes.
so brother, how many time do you spend behind your speaking English?
No giving a lot time. Only one two session. I give conversation and 1 hour for a study and 15-minute listen can news. That's all. No give out. Only just like as it is about 1 and 30 hours per day.
Okay, brother. So before end our session, I want to tell you something. Don't give up your consistency. Try to keep your consistency and try to practice every day. Okay, and try to
Yes,
read every day. And if you want to improve your pronunciation, then you can do one thing, that is you can read loudly. It is
yes,
helpful for
yes,
your
yes,
pronunciation. Okay, so you
yes,
can do
yes,
it every day.
yes, yes. Thank
Okay,
you.
brother, I have to go. My mother is calling me to take dinner.
Okay, okay, no. Bye.
Okay, next. Okay, bye. Next time we'll make conversation. Have a good time, brother. Good night.
Okay, good night.